How to turn off memories notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off memories notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines in the top corner. This one, click on it and then go down until you find this one, memories. Click on it and then just click this settings icon in top corner and select notifications, and now just click turn notifications off. This one, click on it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.